$1,000, but that was a light pack for computers. And now we made a light pack for everything. LightPack 2 is an HDMI pass-through device. It's as simple as that. Just connect the light pack to the TV and then connect all of your HDMI devices to the light pack. Our LED strip fits any screen size. Simply cut the strip to the length you need and stick it to the back of your TV. Use our magic LED corners to mount the parts. LightPack 2 creates full, fast, and bright reflections on the wall behind your TV. LightPack's LED strip lets you expand your screen with a multitude of colors, bringing a truly groundbreaking and eye-opening experience. But to make your experience even more immersive, we went above and beyond TV. Introducing Pixels. You can put a pixel anywhere and it will work with LightPack, lighting up in quick, colorful flashes. It's a smart, wireless, full-color light for your room. And it's an interactive media object. With LightPack, you can connect Pixel to your favorite social networks via IFTTT. For example, you can make Pixel blink with color when you get an instant message or an Instagram like. We've made a great effort developing and designing LightPack 2 and Pixels. Please back us on Kickstarter and we'll bring LightPack to your room.
Introducing KnitBar. The main hub is the brain and it's Wi-Fi enabled. It tracks and monitors electricity usage at an outlet level. You can plug it directly into an outlet or use it as a power bar, where you can add many different modules like smart outlets, USB chargers, a Wi-Fi repeater, and an environment sensor that tells you about the temperature, humidity, light, and sound level in your ambiance. The surge protector keeps everything safe, and the extension cable, well, it makes things easier. All the modules speak with the main hub, and the main hub speaks with your Wi-Fi. This allows the main hub to send your outlet-level electricity usage to the Knit app. You can view your usage historically and in real time. The app also enables you to remotely control, schedule, and set smart rules to automate when things turn on or off. The possibilities are endless.
Hi Kickstarter, I'm Josh Reniff, a product designer from London and the creator of the Barrisseur. The Barrisseur is finally here to redesign your morning, introducing a whole new way to wake up and begin your fresh, new day. Promising to renew your morning routine, the Barrisseur combines ultimate convenience with a sensory experience. Wake up to the invigorating aroma of freshly brewed coffee or tea at your chosen time. Before going to bed, fill the glass boiling vessel with enough water for your chosen morning drink. Place the bung in the top of the boiling vessel securely. If you take milk with your drink, fill the specially designed milk vessel. Next, we're ready for you to add the good stuff. Spoon the freshly ground coffee into the filter from the sealed storage compartment. Set your alarm time, then set the brew time for your drink, before, at the alarm, or after. The Barrisseur can be used for tea as well as coffee. Charge your phone off the USB port located in the base. My research was inspired by the psychology behind sleep and relaxation. I learned that adopting a nightly routine can encourage a more restful night's sleep, whilst gently stimulating one's senses can lead to a better awakening.
FlyCharge is wireless charging done right. It uses conductive technology, which means it charges on contact. This means it works with virtually any device, and you don't have to worry about device orientation. It emits no additional radiation and is safe to touch. The Flyway 40 is a 40-watt high-speed charging pad that can simultaneously charge all of your devices at the same speed as a regular outlet. The Fly case seamlessly integrates with your smartphone. Take the Fly Cube or the Fly Coin, plug it into your device, place it on the Flyway, and charge away. The Fly Cube gives you the flexibility to charge your device while in use. And the Fly Coin lets you charge any USB-powered device connected to it. FlyCharge is awesome. You don't have to worry about placement or any of that stuff. You simply take it out, put it down, and charge up. It's that easy. I have fly charge everywhere. I've got them in my home and in my office. And so does Martha. Keep crushing it, Martha. It's common for people to put their phones down on whatever surface they're in front of. So why not be charging it at the same time? FlyCharge can charge your devices, your friend's devices, that guy's devices, all at the same time, without losing charging speed. Clean up your space and have easy access to charge all your stuff. No more cord searching, wire tripping, or outlet thievery. Use FlyCharge. Join our movement, and together we can change the way we power our lives.
While we love city cycling, it can be dangerous. Cars bully us, thieves steal from us, and really, we're sick of it. So we ask ourselves the question, how can we fight back?
As friends who met at MIT, we wanted to make city cycling safer. So we decided to build the world's first theft-resistant bike light.
We call it the Defender.
Here's how it works. It simply locks onto your handlebar in less than 30 seconds.
Since we selected a high-security bolt, you can't remove it with anything from a hardware store. You need the special tool which we provided in the box. And if you lose it, we'll send you another one.
It's not designed to be Fort Knox, but it'll be the hardest thing to steal off of your bike.
The battery door is also locked down, this time with a set screw. A few turns with the included tool and the door is free.
The Defender's got to be strong and lightweight, so we made it out of aluminum.
And what city bikers care about most is brightness and battery life. So we packed it with ultra bright LEDs and standard AA batteries.